Hi everyone, welcome to NC Floor Guides. For this project we installed a 5-inch wide pre-finished Brazilian cherry floor and we nailed it down. On this particular project we did tear out carpet prior to installing the hardwood floors, but that's not shown on this clip. Here you can see the plywood subfloor that we were working with. Plywood is an ideal subfloor to nail down a solid plank to. You can also use OSB board, but I would not advise using particle board. Particle board should be torn out and thrown away. The first step in the project is to cover the plywood subfloor with an appropriate moisture barrier. In this case, we're using an industry-approved felt paper. Next, we'll bring in a few boxes of wood and spread them out on the floor so we can begin the racking process. As you can see here, racking involves laying the floorboards out on the floor in the order and the place where they will be installed. This helps you to set up your pattern and decreases the installation time considerably. It also allows you to select out defective boards before you begin installing. What you see here is a pneumatic flooring nailer. This nailer uses 2-inch long staples to nail the solid plank flooring to the subfloor. To activate that, we use a mallet as shown in the picture. You can use the pneumatic floor nailer to install most of your flooring in your field, but when you get along the edges, the nailer won't fit, and so you'll need to switch to the face nailer. And another tool that you see here when you get very close to the edge is called a power jack. It squeezes the boards together so you can nail them comfortably and tightly. This is an example of a special cut. In this case, we're cutting the flooring boards to go around the flooring vent. Be very careful with special cuts. A lot of times you have to use a table saw for that, and it can be very dangerous. So please be careful. A lot of times in a room you'll see funny angles. When you do, you just go ahead and cut your flooring pieces to the angle needed and then nail it down. Just continue along in this way until you get all the flooring installed. This is another example of a special cut we made. We installed a mitered border around the hearth. It's a great little touch. Everyone loves it. And the final product should look something like this. You guys have fun installing your floors. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.